Hi, I'm Kapri Robinson. I'm a bartender at Allegory in Washington, D.C., and this is the Honeybear. The Honeybear cocktail is going to be a play on a goldrush cocktail, which is a super simple, easy cocktail. First, we're gonna start off with some lemon juice. And we're making 2 cocktails, but we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of that. Then I have a black pepper honey syrup that I made. We're gonna do 3/4 ounces of that. And a black pepper honey is just making a good honey syrup 1-to-1, so equal parts water to honey. And then adding about 3 tablespoons of black pepper and letting it steep for about 15 minutes. Next up, what we all are waiting for, Westland. And we're gonna do 2 ounces of that. Yes, 2 ounces, very strong. Because we like things boozy and we're at home, so. And then, easy peasy, we're gonna do some ice and shake the cocktail. And this cocktail is gonna go into our rocks glasses. We're gonna put 2 big cubes of ice into our rocks glasses. And here we go to shake. And we're gonna strain our cocktails into our glasses. And for aroma, and also get some more of that black pepper out, we're gonna crack fresh black pepper right on top. I'm Kapri Robinson. This is the Honeybear with Westland Whiskey.